In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Sumif in Excel. To begin, click the specific cell where you want the calculation total to appear. This is the cell where Excel will display the final result, so it is a good idea to choose a location that is easy to see and fits neatly into your worksheet. Next, go to the formula bar at the top of the screen and type an equal sign. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign, and this tells the program that you are entering a calculation instead of regular text. Right after that, type sumif. This is the function that allows Excel to add values only when they meet a certain condition. As soon as you type it, you are telling Excel that you want to total numbers based on specific criteria. Then type an opening parenthesis. This begins the function arguments, which are the pieces of information Excel needs in order to complete the calculation correctly. Now click and drag across the range of cells you want to evaluate with your criteria. This first range is the area Excel will check to see whether each entry matches the condition you will set. Be careful to select the correct group of cells, because this part controls what Excel looks at before adding anything. After that, type a comma to separate the first argument from the next one. Then type your specific condition in quotation marks. For example, you might enter greater than 500, or a text value such as apples. The quotation marks are important because they help Excel read the condition properly. Then click and drag across the range of cells that contains the actual numbers you want to add together. This tells Excel which values should be summed whenever the corresponding cells in the first range meet your condition. Make sure this range lines up correctly with the first one so that Excel matches each row or entry properly. Once that is done, type a closing parenthesis to finish the function. At this point, your Sumif formula is complete and ready to run. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the result and display the total in the cell you selected at the beginning. That is how to use Sumif in Excel to add values based on a specific condition. It is a simple function, but it can save a lot of time when working with larger spreadsheets. That covers everything you need to know.